Competition. All right, this thing is sick. Got the carbon fiber diffuser on there. Got the stock rear mufflers. We deleted this little mid muffler back here. We got custom midsection. This is like 4 or 5 grand from any aftermarket exhaust system company. We do this for a fraction of the price. Amplify the tone, make this thing sound sick, leave the stock muffler so you keep the valves. And you got a V8 twin turbo, you got an M8 Competition, you got an M550 even. Same kind of midsection. We could do an X pipe, resonator delete, amplify the tone, keep the valves so you keep the comfort mode. And we do it all at G Exhaust, guys. So hit us up, G Exhaust. You got an M8? G Exhaust it, all right? So we're gonna drop it, rev it, tell me what you guys think.
Great.